Welcome. If you're looking to remove a relationship status from your Facebook page using your PC, you're in the right place. With the latest Facebook update, the steps have changed a bit, but don't worry. I'll walk you through each one so you can update your profile quickly and easily. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to Facebook. Log in if you haven't already. Once you're on your Facebook homepage, look to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile photo. Go ahead and click on it. Now, you'll be taken to your profile page. Here, you'll notice several tabs right under your cover photo. Click on the one labeled About. This section is where all your personal details are stored, including your relationship information. On the left-hand side, you'll see a menu. Scroll down and find the option that says Family and Relationships. Click on it to open up your relationship details. Next, look for the relationship status you want to remove or change. You'll see a small edit icon, which looks like a pencil, right next to your current relationship status. Click on this edit icon. A new window will pop up, giving you the option to update your relationship status. Click on the drop-down menu labeled Status. From here, you can choose to remove your relationship by selecting Single, No Relationship, or simply clearing the status, depending on the options available. Once you've made your selection, don't forget to click Save at the bottom of the window. This will update your profile and remove the relationship status from your Facebook page. That's it. You've successfully removed your relationship status on Facebook using your PC. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to check out more tips and tricks for managing your social media profiles. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.